To solve the square root of 2 times 1 minus 2 sine theta equals to 1 minus 2 sine theta, where theta ranges between 0 and 360 degrees, we will first square both sides. Which means that on the left we have the square root of 1 minus 2 sine theta all squared, and on the right hand side we have 1 minus 2 sine theta squared. The square roots and the square cancel on the left hand side, meaning that we are left with 2 times 1 minus 2 sine theta, and on the right, expanding 1 minus 2 sine theta squared is going to leave us with 1 minus 4 sine theta plus 4 sine squared theta. Then expanding the bracket on the left, we have 2 minus 4 sine theta to be equal to 1 minus 4 sine theta plus 4 sine squared theta. Then let's group all the terms onto the left hand side and add 0 on the right hand side. That means we have minus 4 sine squared theta minus 4 sine theta, which is already on the left, then plus 4 sine theta, the one from the right coming here, plus 2, which is already on the left, and minus 1 equals to 0. We will be left with minus 4 sine squared theta, and 2 minus 1 gives plus 1 equals to 0. We then multiply through by negative 1, leaving us with a positive 4 sine squared theta minus 1 equals to 0. Now 4 sine squared theta can be written as 2 sine theta all squared as a perfect square that it is, then minus 1 squared for 1 equals to 0. This giving us difference of 2 squares. And difference of 2 squares generally, a squared minus b squared, we factor as a minus b times a plus b. So applying this concept on the resulting equation, where 2 sine theta is seen as a and 1 is seen as b, it is going to factor out as 2 sine theta minus 1 multiplying 2 sine theta plus 1 equals to 0. And with the product being 0, it can only mean that 2 sine theta minus 1 equals to 0, or 2 sine theta plus 1 equals to 0. And from the first, we have that 2 sine theta will be equal to positive 1, and 2 sine theta from the second one will be equal to negative 1. So we'll be dividing both sides by 2 in both cases to get sine theta, which means that from the first we have sine theta to be equal to 1 over 2, and from the second one, sine theta is going to be equal to negative 1 over 2. With sine theta being these values, then theta is going to be arc sine 1 over 2, or it is going to be arc sine negative 1 over 2. With theta assuming these values, majorly 1 over 2, let us first find the positive angle. And from the positive angle, we can generate the other angles by using the quadrants. Now the positive or the main angle when theta is arc sine half is 30 degrees. Let us now explore the other possibilities. With sine theta being positive, one possible angle is 30 degrees. That's from the first quadrant. Similarly, sine is positive in the second quadrant. So another possible angle is 180 minus 30, which is 150 degrees. That is from the second quadrant. Now with sine theta being negative also, the third and the fourth quadrant are possibilities since the angle is between 0 and 360 degrees. So for the third possibility, we have theta to be 180 degrees plus 30 degrees, which is 210 degrees from the third quadrant. And finally, from the fourth quadrant, theta is 360 degrees minus 30 degrees, which is 330 degrees, and that's the fourth quadrant. And finally, the possible values of theta are 30 degrees, 150 degrees, 210 degrees, and 330 degrees. Subscribe to our channel. More math tutorials are on the way, so make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when these tutorials are available. Do have a nice day.